Eliminate theta. Hi students. Next our continuation topic. Hello students. We can continue our another topic is eliminate theta from x equal to a cos power theta and y equal to b sin power 4 theta. What is given here? X equal to a cos power 4 theta. This can be written as x by a equal to cos power 4 theta. Cos theta equal to x by a power 1 by 4. Again, another one is y equal to b sin power 4 theta. Y by b equal to sin power 4 theta. Sin theta equal to we can take y by b whole power 1 by 4. Now, but we have a relation between cos theta and sin theta, which is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Understand? Next, we know the value of cos theta, x by a power 1 by 4 put here. We know the value of whole square is there already. Sin theta y by b power 1 by 4. So it can be x by a power 1 by 2, y by b power 1 by 2. We know power 1 by 2 means we can take it as root of x by a plus root of y by b. Understand? Equal to 1. Understand? Okay, let us go for another question. The another question is as like this. Okay, the other question, eliminate theta from as like this, x equal to cot theta plus tan theta, cot theta plus tan theta, and y equal to sec theta minus cos theta, sec theta minus cos theta. Okay, we can go through this problem. Solution. Given x equal to cot theta plus tan theta, squaring on both sides, x square equal to cot theta plus tan theta whole square. Understand? Okay. Now listen, x square equal to expand by a plus b whole square, cot square theta plus tan square theta to cot theta into tan theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1. 2 into cot theta into tan theta value 1. Cot theta into tan theta 1. Understand? Okay. Now minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. What will come here? Cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. This is 1 by cos square theta. Understand? Next thing is take LCM. Sin square theta into cos square theta will come in numerator. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. We know the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta how much? 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. This can be 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta. 1 by sin square cosec square theta. 1 by cos square sec square theta. This is x square value. Now x square into y value I am going to find. What is x square value? Cosec square theta into sec square theta. This is x square value. Okay? Into y value. What is y? Sec theta minus cos theta. So what will come here? Listen. This is can be written as 1 by sin square theta. This is can be written as 1 by cos square theta into okay y value. Y value can be written as 1 by cos, that means minus cos theta. It will come as like this. 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta into here LCM is cos theta. In numerator will come 1 minus cos square theta. This is 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta into cos theta cos cube theta into 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. 1 sin square theta get cancelled. 1 by cos cube theta came. 1 by cos cube theta nothing but sec cube theta. This is the value of x square y. So, what is sec theta value here? X square y whole power 1 by 3. In the same way, we are going to take another value, that is y. Understand? Take y value here. Y equal to sec theta minus cos theta. Understand? So, we are going to take y square value. Sec theta minus cos theta whole square. This is expanded by a minus b whole square formula minus 2 sec theta into cos theta. We know the value of sec theta into cos theta. Sec square theta nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. Cos square theta nothing but 1 minus sin square theta minus 2. Since sec theta into cos theta value is 1. Understand? Now, it can be taken as like this, plus 1 1 minus 2 get cancelled. This is tan square theta minus sin square theta. Now it can be taken as sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is nothing but we can do it as like this. Now what is get common here? Sin square theta get common. It will come as 1 by cos square theta minus 1. When sin square theta get common. This is sin square theta, LCM cos square theta. Numerator will come as cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta. Now sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta. This is sin square theta into sin by cos tan square theta. Now x into y square value. X means cot theta plus tan theta. Y square value sin square theta into tan square theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta into sin square theta into tan square theta. Understand? Next, take LCM here. What is LCM here? Sin theta into cos theta LCM. What will come numerator in numerator? Cos square theta plus sin square theta into sin square theta into tan square theta. Okay. Sin square theta plus tan square theta is 1. 1 by sin theta. 1 sin theta get cancelled here. That is 1. Here will come as 1 by cos theta into sin theta into tan square theta. Again sin by cos tan. Tan theta into tan square theta. This is tan cube theta. So tan theta equals to xy square power 1 by 3. But we have a relation between sec theta and tan theta. What is that relation? That is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We have sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Sec theta x square y power 1 by 3 whole square minus tan theta xy square power 1 by 3 whole square equal to 1. Understand? This can be x square y power 2 by 3 minus xy square power 2 by 3 equal to 1. This is the way to eliminate theta from the given equations. Understand? The one more thing is, one more question. The next to the same question is eliminate theta from another one as like this. X equal to a of cos theta plus x equal to a of sec theta plus tan theta, and y equal to b of sec theta minus tan theta. Understand? Okay. Now we are going to eliminate theta from these equations. What are given here? Given x equal to a of sec theta plus tan theta, y equal to b of sec theta minus tan theta. Now x into y equals to a into b sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. So xy equal to ab, a plus b into a minus b form, sec square theta minus tan square theta. Understand? Okay. xy equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta value how much? 1. Therefore xy equal to ab. Listen one thing, this is the way to eliminate theta from the given equations. Understand? Okay? We have to eliminate them as in this way. Okay? Now we can do one more question as like this also, as like this. Listen, the another question in the form in the same way as like this. Okay, the question is as like this. We are going to eliminate theta from the equations. Elimination nothing but we have to eliminate theta from the according to the conditions. What are the conditions? What conditions we can use? We have identities are there. The identities are as like that. Sin squared, we should use the identities to eliminate the theta from the given equations. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Another one is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. The another thing is cos square theta. Another thing is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Understand? We can do as like this. The another question as like this. The another thing is there. Okay. The another problem we can do as like this. Okay. The question is, if cos theta greater than 0, if cos theta greater than 0, if cos theta greater than 0, and tan theta plus sin theta equal to m, and tan theta plus sin theta equal to m. Next, tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. Tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. Okay. Then prove that m square minus n square equal to, then prove that m square minus n square equal to 4 root mn. Understand? We can do here also, we can eliminate the theta. We are going to eliminate theta from these equations as like this. Okay. Now solution. Okay. Given tan theta plus sin theta equal to m, tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. Now adding m plus n, what will come? Tan theta plus sin theta plus tan theta minus sin theta. What will come here? Sin theta get cancelled, 2 tan theta. This is m plus n value, m minus n value. Tan theta plus sin theta minus tan theta minus sin theta. Open the bracket. Tan theta plus sin theta minus tan theta minus into minus plus sin theta. Tan theta get cancelled, 2 sin theta. Understand? Next, m into n value. m into n equals to tan theta plus sin theta, tan theta minus sin theta. Understand? This is mn value. Understand? Okay. What will become mn is tan square theta minus sin square theta. Consider we are going to considering the value of m plus n into m minus n equals to m plus n value is 2 tan theta into 2 sin theta. This is 4 tan theta into sin theta, value of m square minus n square. Understand? Okay? This can be written as 4 root of tan square theta into sin square theta and square root. This is nothing but this is tan square theta as it we are going to take as like this. Okay. Here we are going to tan m minus n value is 2 sin theta, 2 tan theta. Okay, this can be written as tan square theta into sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Tan square theta, open the bracket, minus tan square theta into cos square theta. This can be taken as like this. 4 root tan square theta minus tan square theta can be written as into cos square theta. We cancel 4 root tan square theta minus sin square theta. We know the value of tan square theta minus sin square theta. How much? Root tan square theta minus sin square theta is mm. This is the value of m square minus n square. Hence proved. Understand? We can do the problem as like this. Understand? We can do all the problems in this way as like this. Okay?